Man, we test fitting these 30s on the Cully, man.
You see the 30s look like on the Cully.
You nuts. Y'all see what's going on, man. 2020 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. My boy trying to put 30s on it, man.
And the steering wheel match that motherfucker. They gotta stop playing
with it. Rolling. Dang, them things is huge. Golly. That boy trying to put 30s on the Cullinan, man. Golly. Yeah, that's nuts. It's gonna be like right there. Is that the highest it go?
That's the highest it goes, twin.
That's the highest it go. We trying to test fit the 30s on the Cullinan right now, y'all. It looked like it just might, I don't know. Nah, need a little bit of lift. 28 to be perfect though, huh?
Yeah.
28 to be perfect.
26 for sure.
Yeah. 26s to be perfect. 28 to be like 30s, but 30s I don't know. No gang.
I say go 30, man. Cut the wheel well.
Cut the wheel well on the Cullinan. Oh my God. I don't know, y'all. Y'all think the 30s could work? Y'all let your boy know right now in the comments below, man. We trying to figure it out. Yeah, roll that joint to that back. Let's see what that thing look like back there. Oh yeah. Hey, them look hard though. You throw that look like Grand Theft Auto in real life, man. I'm about to go get on the game and buy me one of these. Throw some 30s on mine.
No, got that truck too enough.
I'm telling you, it's nice. So, man, we test fitting these 30s on the Cully, man.
You see the 30s look like on the Cully.
You nuts. I'm telling you.
I guess all on the same side.
That's nuts.
Same lip. I thought it would be a little deep addition to that. It's not the same side. You didn't do offset. I wanted to, but I thought but shit. No, just not looking at it, not offset. It's all good though, because we're gonna insulate some shit. I want the offset on front.
Or less them both front wheels or something, both back wheels. And the other ones is different. Or they all the same? Oh, okay.
Yeah, the same side.
Yeah, that joint huge, man. Let's get an angle from this angle right here. That thing look hard. It look hard. You gotta put like a little block or something behind it. Got that 30 on there, y'all.
You gotta be careful though, but do not let that deep pump.
That is huge. I ain't gonna hold you. It really look hard though.
I'm just so you get your full picture. I want to be in a picture. You get an idea. Right here, look. On the small one here.
That joint look hard though. Grand Theft Auto in real life.
26s, we'll do 26s in the year here, or 8s. We'll do 8s. I'll probably do 26s.
For sure. 26s with a nice tire.
Yeah.
28s would be like cutting it.
Yeah, cut like, all right, woo.
Yeah, for sure.
I just like the rim. I'm just trying to see how the rim.
It look hard though.
Yeah,
it look hard though. When you step back, it look.
Match the grill. You come
no.
Get the grill the way the grill.
Let's see. Hey, nah, definitely match the front on me, huh? Yeah. It looked like they supposed to be on that car, man.
That's what I was looking at. When I seen them, people like,
it looked like it's supposed to be on that Joan. That thing crazy. Y'all see what's going on, man. 2020 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. My boy trying to put 30s on it, man. He nuts.
He did.
He thought he did it. What up, man?
He did it.
DC in the cut. Y'all see what's going on, gang.
Control the internet real quick. I love it.
First Cullinan on 30.
No, for sure. Man, so what year is this again?
72.
1972 Chevelle. Y'all see what's going on, man. Coming out the cut with it, though. That thing is clean. I ain't gonna hold you. That thing is looking real cold. 1920 and 2022, this thing looking cold. Yes, sir. All the oohs and ahs on that joint, man. Close as fuck. That's cool. know that shit.
Look how close.
That's how close, y'all. Now that was close. That was like maybe an inch. It sound good though.
He said tomorrow you come check it out.
Yeah, I pick up to the bar.
Yeah.
Yes, man. I gotta go ahead and get it.
It's staying clean though, man. I ain't gonna hold you. That's funny. In the video when we was with Coke, they was like, dude was trying to open the hood from the inside of the car. On that yellow one.
Oh, yeah.
They was like, dude was trying to open the hood from the inside of the car. They like, he gonna be there forever.
They don't know what you got, do you?
Right.
Yeah, whatever from the inside, my boy. Yeah, whatever outside. That's that old school you did. I love that shit. That shit go crazy.
Yeah, it's nice. It's clean for sure.
That bitch shakes.
I like how it's like the flat black and then the gloss black.
It was spinning.
That bitch shake like when you just.
That's that camera.
Oh, that's that camera.
That's that Big Daddy right there.
How that motherfucker shaking that light.
All the oohs and ahs on that joint, man.
The only thing my old school is that cam. And that motherfucker doing a Harlem shake at the stop.
Right, huh? You ain't coming at the light?
Oh yeah.
It ain't it, huh?
Hey.
That joint look good on them gold things, man. Them things look good on them gold things. He got the steering wheel to match. The Gold Daddies on that? Real hustle and flow, though. I like that, man.
That nigga ran outside.
It came out power walking. Hey Corey, hey, okay, oh no, he's still.
Yeah.
I see that the devil boy, though he left his ass.
That bitch was like, ooh.
That's that 120 music.
Tequila made me do it.
That's that 120 music.
That boy beating in that joint. Got the extra slap on him. Got the extra slap, man. He brought the box out today. That thing look good when it's rolling in.
Hard, huh?
I ain't gonna hold you. It hit though for sure.
I wanted to see that, bro. I just wanted to see it when I rolled.
It definitely hit.
Clean, that sun.
Yeah. That thing nice, man.
I got some music inside, man.
Got floating on that joint, man. That's crazy. What year you say this one was?
87.
This one, 87, man. Y'all see what's going on. 4-door Big Daddy, man. We ain't gonna get copyrighted, man, but y'all see how he coming with the matching steering wheel and all the above. 89, man. Y'all see what's going on. 89 with the slappity slaps back there, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Big piece of style, man.
We do a little circle for him.
Little joint, man. Little spin around, little spin. The gold for sure hit. The gold for sure hit. That joint nice. Wet. That motherfucker definitely wet. That shit hard.
And the steering wheel match that motherfucker. They gotta stop playing with it, man.
Match, man. Y'all see what's going on. All the oohs in the house, man. FSG. It's a movie, man. Y'all see what it is. Go definitely be hitting. Yes, sir. Y'all see what it is. Alrighty, guys, just made it back to my doghouse, man. That was freaking fun. Sliding in my old schools, man. It ain't nothing like it, especially when it's 2022 and that thing clean. It's one of these brand new 2022 things, man. You guys see what's going on, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate everybody out there tuning in, man. It is a movie, man. It's time to go. Yay. Sliding in my old schools today or what, gang?
Listen, man, I felt good in my little cruise in my old school.
He said, I took the long way home today.
I'm trying to tell you all the way. I had to hit a couple blocks, but you feel me?
Right, now I hear you though.